Hi everyone. In today's video, we will talk about this Philips Smart LED. And this is a 13 watt, which corresponds to a 100 watt bulb. And it is controllable through Wi-Fi, through Bluetooth, and it's a great piece of technology. And this is, by the way, not sponsored from any kind of company. And this is actually the bulb, what we are looking. And we can already see this is a really big bulb compared, and it is using the application of WiZ, connected by WiZ. And let me compare to a 12 watt other bulb, also an LED bulb. So these two bulbs are almost the same, having almost the same parameter. So these two bulbs are almost having the same parameters. This is 12 watt, this is 13 watt. And it is much bigger. It should be bigger because it should control the... It should be bigger because it has a controller inside and it can change the color. This is a simple and normal LED bulb, 12 watt bulb. And this is a smart, so smarter is bigger or not. So let me install it. Installation is easy. You just screw it in and it's there. Okay, on button. And if you compare the previous light and actual light, you might notice this is a bit stronger. And in advance, I have connected the application to my Bluetooth. The application looks like this. And you can set up brightness. This is the lowest brightness what it can do. This is the highest. And you can enter in the bulb and you can change the color. So it's amazing. And I won't be using too much the color plating, but it has the feature, so why not if it's possible. And you can change the white balance as well. For a certain video, if you need to use the white balance, and this bulb, it's for you. You have dynamic ranges, so it can do some sparks, or golden lights, or pulses, or even alarm. This is an SOS, as far as I know, Morse, but maybe I'm wrong. And if you go to the menu and to the settings, you can change the fading. So that's one of my favorite features. You can set up as 9 seconds, or let me do 5 seconds. And when you want to turn it off, it won't turn off right away. Instead, it will do a blink and smoothly fade it out. And that's a great feature in my opinion. And it also can remember on the last option what you have used. So it's really great. And even we had some fun with my son with that, and he really played around like 20 minutes with it, and he still thinks it is funny. So that's it. So in my opinion, this bulb, it was like 13 euro or $13. It's almost euro and dollar is in the same range. And if you compare, like you buy this for 3 or 4 euros, and this is 13, and you would have some possibility to play around with that bulb, it is worth. I won't replace in my home all of the bulbs like this, but 1 or 2 to play around and to set up some moon, or even some schedule, or even some fades. Here it is. I'm not telling this is the best bulb in the market, or this is the cheapest, or this is the most expensive. But as a medium range to play around with that, it's perfect. With that being said, and if you think this video were helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a great